How to use Photoshop AI to remove people. Looking for an easy way to remove people or unwanted objects from a photo in Photoshop? In this video, I'll show you how to do it using Photoshop's AI-powered Remove tool. First, open Photoshop and drag your image into a new document. Adjust the size and position of the image if needed. Next, go to the Layers panel in the bottom right corner and click the New Layer icon to create a blank layer. Now, go to the toolbar on the left and click and hold the tool group until you find the Remove tool. Select it. Before you start, make sure Sample All Layers is enabled. Then, adjust the brush size from the options at the top so it's large enough to cover the person you want to remove. Once everything is ready, simply brush over the person or object you want to remove. Photoshop will use its AI to analyze the surrounding area and automatically fill in the selected portion. After processing, the person should disappear and the background will be reconstructed to blend with the rest of the image. If the result isn't perfect on the first attempt, don't worry. Simply brush over the unwanted area again and let Photoshop process it another time. And that's how you can use Photoshop's AI-powered Remove tool to quickly remove people or unwanted objects from your photos.